A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well. You know it already, we say dream team, one team, and it's the only real team. So we have Hero clean up him baby. Hero clean up the tank. Where's the Hero?
One team.
Hero that clean up the tanker, the little tanker, you know. That's the dream team tanker right there. That's Hero baby. You know that white lady, see that white lady there, that's Hero baby. You know we call it dream team tanker. Yeah, imagine how much things that can hold. So we give thanks every time. So blessings to all viewers are donors, you know. So today we're gonna cook a meal for the elderly them today, you know. Prepare a nice meal for the chef them in the kitchen and sort it out. Also wanna pay a visit with Felicia, that's the girl with the kidney problem as well too. And see what we can get done. It's a bit rainy, you know, and the place a bit dark, so it's gonna rain again. So we've been getting some rain, so it's more blessings from blessings. So we give thanks every time. So don't forget to like and don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe. So we say dream team, one team. It's the only real team. Yeah. Well. Let's look at it. Look at the sunlight. Yeah, blessing. Auntie, how is everything? Okay, alright? Felicia, how are you doing? Well, so you know the other day we have some clarity. We have some clarification of what's been going on and everything. So we also appreciated by the nurse to give us some real information that we need, yeah? I will give thanks to her. I forgot her name. What's her name again? Your daughter, what's her name? Priscilla, big up yourself anyway, the Kino, so that, you know, thank you for the informative information that you gave there that day. So Felicia, did you check out the thing for you and go back to see the doctor after?
I asked the doctor the estimate
and 230,000 to install it. Okay. So that's who was a patient or a doctor? The mark up there. So it's 200,000. Well, at least you know, I have an idea of the figure, 200,000. So you went back there? Yeah. Okay, you just went to find out the price for that. Okay. Well, no mind the tell me it's going to be roughly what them price though. Hey, auntie. We need hear the price, so like your eye wide open wide though. But when you hear 200,000, bigger money. Now imagine how that is expensive in Jamaica for people with a low economy. You know, so how they gonna survive for health if that, you know? So this is what people always seem to go through sometimes when they come on to the doctor from in Jamaica. It's all about the money. That's what's stopping most people from getting treated. Because when you hear about the price, you're like 200,000. Like if you kind of find 10,000 much less, you'll find 200. Yeah, that price is ridiculous. 200 in certain country like England, you get them thing free.
Yeah,
Yeah,
England, yeah.
yeah, England, I get them. Yeah, I
And
get
then England from here for them now.
free healthcare.
Free healthcare, you know, pay for medicine and
Not
stuff.
we'll go in there and get treated and everything. I don't know about America still, but I know about England. Yeah.
Might be, we have a little touch in America, but
But it
in
won't be
England.
so much though.
Last year when I was in America, I talked to somebody in England.
Hmm.
And I'm telling them for them to give a doctor bill or whole
Hmm.
calcutta in England. Oh my God.
Hmm.
And when we up there, me that run out of some diabetic medicine.
Oh.
Not
I
up
get-
to me enough country.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
You know, the health card up there, me that you have to have beside of
You have to have certain things to get
Certain things
medical
to get.
treatment. So they kind of complicate it over there.
when we come up with me just make my little medicine serve and how to take it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Then keep balance. Yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if it did run out completely, no problem.
Actually, me, I should not to the pump practice, actually do exercise.
Okay, so you have sugar problem as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
diabetes.
Diabetic. That's the first time you mentioned this though. You never mentioned it. No, for the first time. See, I didn't even know that. So you have something when you have this test for your...
Yeah, sugar.
Okay, yeah.
Always test the blood.
Oh, you have a little monitor?
No, I don't have the money to but they always make a good in my clinic.
Okay, so that's where they check it
3
from.
months and then test me and see how the sugar is going on.
Yeah. And yeah, balance alright.
Balance, what to eat and
Okay. And you can also say I keep fit, because you tell me say I wash in the
the
morning.
greatest thing, you know, but on the medicine is the exercise.
The exercise, right? That's one of the main things as well, too. Because them saying like your body need that exercise to make the blood flow more freely. That's good. At least you have something to keep you active, occupied. Take your mind off stuff. That's good. And for fair, well, at least now you have an idea on the cost of it and the price for it, which is 200. So what you think? You want to save towards it, or what you want to do about it? You want to save towards it, okay, it'll be much safer for you, right? And might as well try and save towards it. We don't know how it might end up with a donation or anything, but from a put it out there in the universe, you never know. By prayers, pray for the health, hopefully we can get that same way. We can still get the support from you down the line.
And look at you get.
Yeah.
Get in, look at you, something.
Yeah.
Something.
Put something, where you should eat food as well. So,
That's again.
so you can at least try to put something aside. It's all depends. So it's 200,000 to put that thing in our hand. And that would be a much more better lifespan for you, for a more healthier treatment. So you never know the idea. So it's open for you. If you can reach to that. Once you can reach to that, you get it started. I know we have people out there will try them best and see. No matter how small, they will try and give something. Because that's what stops most people now because of the pandemics. Most people ain't working. So we'll get there definitely. Yeah, once Felicia willing to save, yeah. Once she's willing to save, we will get there. So I have a donation for you as well to Felicia. And this is from the Overcomers from the USA. $7,000. So yeah, from the Overcomers.
Thanks for overcomers for doing it with us.
Yeah. Auntie?
Thank God, bless up. Thank God for great times.
Yeah. And you also have Unknown from the Cayman Island, from the Caribbean as well too. And this is a woman from the Cayman Island. She only known as Unknown. And that's $14,000 from the woman from the Cayman Island.
Thanks for Unknown from Kino.
Okay.
Thanks for Unknown from the Cayman. Big up and be wonderful. Really God bless them. Continue your work.
Yeah. Alright then, so we give thanks for the donation towards Felicia, towards her health. So we hope and pray if we can reach that amount that she would need to put that. What the name of it again? I forgot. Pistilla inside her arm. So the price of it is 200 or 230,000. Yeah. Right now a pandemic price I call them, you know. Yeah, all these price is called pandemic. You know, all the price start to panic. So the price will went up on everything. I don't know, I don't see what the price will go up on. The price gone up. Yeah, everything. Even food, the price gone sky high on food right now. Buy banana and anything there. The grown food gets so expensive, I couldn't believe. Onions and the whole thing they get expensive. The health, you know? Even fruits. You can't believe the orange now when I get for 50, like so small like a marble. So you have to buy the $100 orange. You can't buy now big orange again for no 50, like small. I couldn't believe it. I tell the man, say, no, give me a big one and then. You know, so that's how the price gone up on things. So as for this, I just go and take care of you, you know, auntie. You know, we're gonna hope and pray if anything else can come up here towards Felicia kidney problem. So we can try work towards the first of her arm, so it can at least, you know, sustain more for long term more than short term. Right, Felicia? Until next time, yeah? Auntie, you can go back to wash now.
Yeah, God bless you now. Team, hold tight.
Every time.
Always praying for me.
I'm big up your daughter for me.
Yes.
You know, tell her I said hi, and the whole viewers them said hi.
Yes.
They thank her so much for the information, you know. So you understand, need some more to come test some more.
Yes, again.
Elderly. You know, she's afraid of the camera. But it's good if she can come give me some walk around and test some elder pressure and so what and go on over here, you know. It's good, so.
You have to call her and talk to her. You hear her
Yeah. You know, one of them there. Alright then, yeah? Yeah, man. Abigail. Long time. Long time.
It's been a while.
It's been a very long while, we're not like. Yeah, so how is everything going?
Not bad. Greatest thing I have in life. Thank you, Jesus.
That is the main thing, that is it.
Life.
So how's life on the outside? Knowing that you're on the outside.
I don't make up, it's a man made up thing, you know. I don't make up my mind for anything, you know. So I just go and hold it, you know.
Yeah.
So I go and hold it, see me. And I survive and I live.
I go and don't give up the fight, you know.
No, man.
Just keep fight. So you know them say there's peace in your community. You know? I hope it rains. You know them always say peace not last for long. But we are prayer.
Yeah, definitely.
I hope and pray.
Yeah.
So it can last, you know?
Same so. But just pray for the best.
Yeah, because it's been a while, so hopefully. I know you pray for it, right?
Yes.
I know there, so pray for the peace over there.
Yeah.
You see me, if it's not peace, we want unity. No peace, unity and love.
Yeah.
That is it.
Place to go back to them, you know?
Yeah. So how is school there?
I finished school, I passed all of my exams.
Pass all of them?
Period.
Everything?
Yeah.
Oh, congratulations. Say about tell me about the graduation.
Yeah, graduation is in this month.
This month?
Yeah.
Oh, but we there? November?
Yeah.
November you finish, right? So when you get the results?
I get my result, I'm already may do exam in September, October, wait, in a take off to get the result.
Okay.
So I get the result on one of my birthday, that is a school exam. Yes, and I passed practical, theory, everything.
Everything?
Yes,
wow.
but they pay for city and guilds. Yes, and I passed that also.
Yeah.
So, you know, I can work in any 100 and odd country with that city and guild certification.
Yeah. Right. Congratulations, man. Like, congrats. So never idiot me can call you, never swell him can show that.
Make you know
how I'm going. Wow. So we're looking to see you forward professionally. Doing it, right?
Yes.
So how it work? After this stage now, what's the next stage from this?
I'm not finished still in school, you know. know, because I was planning to start school January, like spare and everything work, but that's all me wanted. They wanted finish, want to go and do phlebotomy, couple subjects.
Okay, so you have a couple courses you need to get with that we have already.
You know, so if them not have, if me I look at job and them have space for that, then I have something else can. You understand?
Yeah. So all on the courses.
It only does last for just 4 or 5 months.
Okay. So you're planning to start that very soon?
Yeah, I want to start January.
January. So
if
after
it work
that?
out as all we want it.
Okay. So after that now?
Then now you don't know the job. You still a search for job now still, so I can
And the best thing now.
And work same time.
Yeah. Because the best thing is start search for a job now, because you know it will take a time. You know, but suppose you get the phone call and said it's available.
No, make me some kind of go to school and I can go work. So you have to tell the workplace that you're in school and thing. Yeah.
Okay. I hope and pray something can come true, like, you know. So you're confident something will come true, right?
Yes. Listen, my mother died during my schooling. I just start school. And me make it. When we realized that the exam was so hard, and when me see me pass it, because when we did the exam, I'm not saying, no, for the people here.
Yeah.
And then me see me pass. Come on. You're thinking of the room with me, I got to do it. Tell you one of my classmates, them say I got to do my exam with me, and I me do it.
Because you had doubt yourself, you know.
Yeah, because, hey, the exam there was so hard. And then
Where you go through it?
I'm going to go through it, my pass, me feel good.
Yeah.
When I see me can do anything. From my past, me can do anything.
Of course. Anything. So for you make it through this time.
Yes, me can do anything.
Or tsunami you make it through. Well, I'm very proud, you know. I know your mother is very proud right now.
Definitely.
You know, she's definitely a smile bright to say yes, my daughter, you know.
So if she did there, no, she walk and tell everybody
That's a proud mommy.
Yes.
So she show off the good, you know. It's never the worst you do. You have the right thing, so that is good. So you have a good mommy. Colors! You have a good mommy, Abigail. So all the kids them do, everybody alright?
Yeah, okay. They're fine. We'll be alright.
That's good. And my little friend.
Him same one.
But
it just came with the talking. We get used to it.
Yeah, a long time I don't see him too. My little friend. We met them pass through one of them time, man.
Yeah, we know definitely pieces here. So we now run and come out today, we can't bother with that.
Yeah, those time and patient, you know. Everything takes time. So I got a donation here for you. You know, from the Overcomers. From the USA. You know that name, been about the program, you know, been into your life, you know, they're not leaving. A donation of 45,000 from the Overcomers from the USA. You know that Overcomers are our family, that Dream Team family. So this is 45,000 from the Overcomers.
Thank you very much, Overcomers. I know that I always have my back same, no matter how long, I still remember, never forsake me, like how God never forsake us. And God bless you guys, and I hope the good Lord continue to bless the baskets and never leave it empty. Blessings. Thank you.
Every time, the Overcomers, you know, them always there, you know, them been there, them still here, and they're never gonna leave us anytime, nowhere. So we give thanks to the Overcomers, you know. Thank you so much, you know, for supporting Abigail on our journey, you know, and still continuing to do so.
Definitely.
You know, because she have a big job on her and itself, much less, you know. So, you know what to do, you hear me? You do the right thing, you know.
Yeah.
And see what you can do, because you try to start life on the outside. You know, wish you all the best, you know. I hope God keep on guiding and protecting us, same way. You're gonna need it same way out there.
Same way.
And you're going out and you're coming in.
Just all the things that I ask for now, just some prayers, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do my good prayers.
And you definitely will get it.
Yeah.
I feel in here, that's all they've been asking for now, some prayers. You will definitely get it. You know, I'm going to pray for you too.
Yeah, of course. course.
So yeah, I get my one tonight too.
Of course.
You know? We are pray for the good way you want to happen in your life. So definitely I got them. Okay. Believe cure and then say believe heal. So if I have faith, there's a will. Right, so what's your plan now for the day? You know what's going on?
Go home back and I have work tomorrow. I want to finish my job experience. Yes, because I have to finish the job experience to collect the certificate there.
Yeah.
So I want to do that tomorrow.
Okay. Alright then.
Alright.
So I'm going to leave you to do so.
Yeah.
Continue the good work.
Yeah.
You know it go already.
You too, man. You're a good thing, man. You never stop all in the war, you're there.
Still there, see you, me, though.
Yeah, never give up.
Been through the storm.
Yeah.
You know, I've been through the rain.
Yeah.
And all the fight where I go on, and all the fight where Dream Team get,
Yeah.
you still there, you maintain.
Yeah.
You hear that? Dream Team been through the storm. You know, Dream Team been through the rain. And all the fight where Dream Team get, them still there, you maintain. Oh, we are turn artists.
Yes.
Not two artists there. So yeah, them say Dream Team been through the storm.
Yeah.
Them been through the rain. And all the fight with Dream Team get, them still there and maintain. So we have to give thanks to the donors them, okay, you know.
We have to give thanks to the
They never leave us out.
And
we give thanks to the Almighty who make it possible, who guide and protect us right through this journey. They know Almighty.
You have a lot of Christian donors.
Yeah, and the program.
Yeah, prayer, a lot of prayer warriors.
Yeah, because we're doing godly stuff.
Yeah.
You know, because you know we're doing godly stuff, you can attract godly people. If you're doing negative things, you can attract the negative audience them, you know.
Definitely.
So it's all what you're doing within comedy, you attract the comedy audience them. So we're doing the godly work, so we attract all the godly people out there. So if all the godly ones can come on board, them can see the good, you know, them see the needy. So that's why we're there to help each other. So we give thanks and we love them here because the prayers strong. That's why the program will continue well strong. As a marathon, I will still keep strong. Alright then, yeah?
Alright, thank you.
Yeah. Go you have sleep. Jaja. Wake you up. Shanette, where you go?
Come here.
Where you running to? Shanette, how you doing?
Nothing.
You doing fine?
Yes.
Okay. How is your doll? The dolly?
So it's pretty.
You like it? You take care of it?
I take care of it.
You still have it? Yeah? You don't mash it up? Good. Good. That's a good girl. So should I keep it good? So I can't come borrow it? Would you lend it to me?
Okay.
You gonna lend it to me?
You play with doll?
No. Mama just want to play with it.
No, you can't play with a doll.
Why am I too old?
You too grow up to play with a doll.
I too grow up to play with a doll? Alright then. Since you say that, maybe because you don't want to play with your doll. Maybe. So I go on Rams everything. Yeah.
So next week she are going to the hospital to go take some blood tests again.
Next week,
Next week 10th.
10, she'll take some blood tests.
Exchange.
So-
Keep up with the medication. See, the chance to drop like to take the blood test to show like 50.
Yeah.
You're qualified. I feel like taking the 50 at all time.
Okay. Okay.
Constantly to get our medication on time.
Yeah. Yeah. So that means
So that's sure next year the operation.
next year operation.
Next year March.
March. Okay. So you're final of a month now. So it's March. Which day that now March?
No, I don't remember.
But you have the day as well. So you hear that, Janet? So next year March, you'll be in hospital. Make eggs. You
Talk about it all the while, you know?
Yeah. You're going to the doctor next year.
More time. And she can come up, she can't move awkward. That me I study that. You see?
Recently?
She bought the pain to the knee.
What, since recently? Oh. I know what would
The
happen.
weight I took, you know?
The weight what she have up at the top. And so through the weight now, the upper body, the whole of the, let me say, but that's all.
She have to check her kid this thing.
So the whole of the weight I push that way then. Because through the weight of her body, they go that way then.
That twist, it's a go.
That sore?
It's a twist.
That twist, her back.
Yeah.
Oh. So her back a twist.
Yeah.
Because
so come
through.
like a sclerosis and we don't want to treat this.
So basically you say her back a twist. So maybe through the direction where one know.
Let me tell you this, you know, my answers could have hold up and down like
Yeah.
yeah.
So the doctor them aware of that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So once them aware, them probably
We have
know.
to show them picture of university. Come in from picture and take photocopy to you and put straight at university.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, probably that would probably get straight after them sort out the leg.
Yeah, I'm telling them how to deal with this thing.
Yeah, them gonna deal with it. Because that would have caused by through direction of one side, and then you have one at the body of one side, so that caused the twist.
Yeah.
That's why she feel the pressure now on her knee now, because as they can see, the thing on that side. So the weight now what she have on her upper body.
When them say them call it rainbow.
Yeah.
Them call it what they did.
So that means you have to go start making sure too much run up and down during the day.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, she not too run up and down because a class, you've been a class.
Yeah. I'm to try to sit down more. Okay, you know, when you exercise, when you get up in the morning, you always feel the pain after.
Yeah.
So probably the activity where she do during the day, you know, the walk up and down. So she get up in the morning, you know, she kind of feel that pain there.
Yeah.
You know, that's where it come from. Is it hurt you really bad? It make you want to cry?
When I wake up, I feel my foot was pain, and then I hold on the stove, and the stove jab on me.
Yeah. Oh, so she'd have fall down with it. She just stand up.
Sometimes they don't want to go all the far up.
Yeah.
Only the one in there. She have to live far up.
I love to see March come by like all tomorrow. You say that love to see March come tomorrow. You know, because that's a sign of true. She put on weight now up on the upper body. So she put on a lot of pressure now on the legs. So the more pressure she put on now, she gonna start feeling pain then. So we're previously March like today, man. You know?
You don't feel like me, boy. I'm tell you short, is it?
Yeah, it's painful, man, by looking and how she have to stand up on it, not ever painful. But the main thing with them probably do one leg first. That them are gonna end up doing now. They're not gonna do the 2 legs them. They're gonna do one first. Cause in the 2, she now can't move. So they do one. And the one will get better now, then do the other one.
I'm saying them do the 2 cars, all them all do the 2. You know, the 2 of them straight together.
Yeah. Yeah, but yeah. You know somebody.
Every time I go to measure them.
Yeah.
And look on the same wavelength on 2 so them.
Yeah. Them measure them, man, because them set it after them break it, them set it back. But them have to do, I think them have to do one first. I know somebody where they have the same problem with them leg just go the same, but them do one at a time. You know, because if you do the 2 of them, yeah, it could happen. You never know about it. If them do the 2 of them, she got to be bedridden for months. You know?
6 to 7, 8 months.
Yeah.
Force it to
Move.
Right way.
Yeah.
Like the normal block, them like that block up.
Yeah, so that's.
I'm sure them things still, you know.
Yeah.
And it require special shows.
Yeah.
Where, but like the shows have like
Support.
piece of metal
can support our legs. Support legs. You know them type of shoes then. The greatest thing what leaves now we have a date. I would just pray for the date come soon as where she start to feel pain now. But guess what? I bring some books for you, you know. Yeah, I bring nice reading books for you. Yeah, look, what my bag there? Yeah, I bring nice books for you. Someone send the books them for you.
Nice reading books and see them and read. Yeah. They don't want to pick up the
Oh, so she has a mark up in her book then. So she get her own books them now.
Thank you.
Miss E. Say thank you, Miss E.
And thank you, Miss E.
Yeah, you get loads of book. Wow.
Thanks again, Miss E.
Thanks, Miss E.
Alright then. So you don't have to write in your sister book anymore. Yeah. Fair size. Fair age.
This is my favorite cartoon.
Which one? The princess one?
No, this Looney Tune.
Oh, Looney Tunes.
It depends. 1 and 2.
Okay, alright. And I also got a donation for you. You know, someone sent a donation for you. Yeah, so this money is for you. You gonna count it and tell them thanks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know to count money.
You don't count money? Alright then, so this is for you from unknown. So count it then.
Hi. Thank you.
Unknown from the UK.
Thank you, unknown from the UK.
Thank you, Unknown from the UK.
Alright. Nice. And thank you so much. You're more than welcome.
So much.
So what you gonna do with the money?
I'm gonna keep it.
You're gonna keep it? You're gonna save it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm gonna save it.
So what you gonna buy when you finish saving it?
I'm gonna buy my dad a pretty things.
Are you gonna buy your dad pretty things?
Like, you know, the library where you read your books and make you have enough time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna build that and buy it.
Are you gonna build a library for your daddy?
I go for time work to money, you know?
Oh.
I'm studying still.
Yeah.
I like to go for time work.
But it look like she love her book work, man. She love her book work. Cause she don't want to talk about the book. You know? They don't want to talk about something else. She want to build a library. So you can know they can always have books and friends are coming there to read them.
A bookshelf in there and show the place. We have a book standing over the wall for reading because
Okay. So I just
I got a book. It was one. It said the little girl is trying to pick our berries, but she fell down off of the tree, and someone picked her up and helped her take down the berries.
Oh, which book is that? What's the name of it? Which book is that one?
Which book?
Yeah, is that Looney Tunes?
Yes.
Looney Tunes. Oh, see? She love our books them, man. She love our books them. Yeah, man, and you know, R.I.P. to Miss Dolly, you know, Miss Dolly, you know. Yeah, we're glad she had a nice. Yeah. Hey, Miss Dolly, the related to? Okay.
I say Miss Dolly. I say related to our wife, Baba.
Yeah, because she's so close, you know. Miss Dolly live right here, so. And you live right there. Yeah.
I'm going to start from your little boy. You see me?
Yeah. Sure. Yeah, man. That's still family because I'm nearby now, so nearby family. You know it, man. Right, Shanette, so.
Bye-bye.
You got your books, so can I borrow one?
Yes.
Which one are you gonna lend me? Which one? Because you got so much now.
This.
Which one is that one? Suppose that's the one that you like.
This.
Aladdin?
Yeah.
You sure?
It's on TV, Jay.
Aladdin. This is the one you want to lend me?
Yes.
You sure? When should I bring it back?
I don't know.
So what?
Anytime.
So can I have it? Borrow it, right? Yeah, so I will bring it back when next week. Yeah? next week. Aladdin. I'm gonna let you keep it till I'm ready to go home then, right?
Yes,
When I'm ready to go.
that's a big book.
Yeah. So when I'm ready to go home, I'll come and check it for the book, right? I'm gonna keep it for me till when I'm ready.
Okay.
Alright?
Yes.
Thank you, yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, no problem. So you got enough books to go and read. Alright then, your daddy.
Yeah, man.
Everything.
I don't know dream thing, you no?
Yeah.
Never did that thing shit for me still. I'm not no.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate where you go
What
on.
is this, a wizard?
Thanks unknown. The
Yeah.
5 grand say, is it?
Yeah, yeah,
Miles
we
and
give
respect,
thanks.
say, is it me?
And Miss E for the books then
E
for.
for the books, is it me?
Mm-hmm.
Right. More better in life now.
Yeah, whole heap of right reading she go do now.
I know where this comes from, and I know this million maker. I watch a cartoon. The man said, "This money come from the carrot people who make their outside of carrots." Hey,
Oh yeah, okay. You talking about a cartoon shot, a bunny rabbit shot. Bunny. Alright then, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Nanette, bye bye. Be a good girl, okay?
yes.
Make sure.
Read all of them.
Yeah, read all of them.
I love reading.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.